Welcome back to Jasmine. What we're doing, Pocahontas look. Let's get started. I already put up her face with 2 foundations and let's keep moving on to eyeshadows. I'm gonna use the lip gloss. It's also from Clear from Mall, and right. I'm going to use another lip gloss. It's also from Anne and Tracy, and that lip gloss is really pretty. I can put my lip. It looks so pretty. It's so cute. This lip gloss is really cute with the red and also pink together. This does look pretty. It's just like Princess Jasmine. I'm going to use the black eyeshadow. I'm going to fill my eyebrows. Also, my makeup is really pretty. It's also really cute. And like, comment below. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel.